Welcome to CashWave. If you're juggling a full-time job, studying, parenting, or just find yourself short on time but still want to earn money online, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into 4 of the laziest ways to start a side hustle. Methods that are not only simple to set up, but also easy to maintain. Stick around because these strategies could change your financial situation for the better. First up is building a multi-channel dropshipping store. This is an exciting venture that can open up numerous opportunities for you in the e-commerce world. You might wonder, isn't this going to be time-consuming? It's a common concern, especially if you're new to dropshipping or managing multiple sales channels. Not if you do it right. With the right strategies and tools, you can streamline the process and make it much more manageable. Let me break it down for you. The key is to understand the basics and then leverage technology to your advantage. A multi-channel dropshipping store means selling the same products across various platforms. This approach allows you to reach a wider audience and increase your sales potential. Instead of relying on just one stream of income, you create multiple streams, which can be more stable and lucrative. Diversifying your sales channels can protect you from market fluctuations and increase your overall revenue. Start by finding winning products. These are items that have high demand and good profit margins. Tools like AutoDS can simplify this by providing a list of high-performing products and integrating with platforms like eBay, Shopify, and TikTok Shop. This software can save you a lot of time and effort in product research. eBay is a great marketplace with a large audience. It's been around for years and has a trusted reputation, making it easier to attract buyers. Shopify is fantastic for setting up an online store quickly. Use their AI builder for a hassle-free setup. Shopify's user-friendly interface and robust features make it a favorite among e-commerce entrepreneurs. And TikTok Shop is perfect for reaching a younger, trend-savvy audience. With its growing popularity, TikTok Shop can help you tap into a vibrant and engaged customer base. By automating product listings and order fulfillment with AutoDS, you can manage your dropshipping store with minimal hands-on effort. Automation tools can handle repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on growing your business and exploring new opportunities. Next, let's talk about AI work from home jobs. In today's digital age, the concept of working from home has evolved significantly, thanks to advancements in artificial intelligence and automation tools. If you think working from home means more effort, think again. With the right AI tools, you can streamline your tasks and make your workday more efficient and enjoyable. One of the easiest ways to get started is by finding local businesses that need services like website creation. Many small businesses lack a strong online presence and are in dire need of professional websites. Use Google to gather business contacts, then leverage ChatGPT to organize and format this information. This AI tool can help you compile a comprehensive list of potential clients in no time. For example, search for businesses in need of website services and use ChatGPT to create a list of leads with their contact details. This can save you hours of manual work and ensure you have accurate information. Build websites using AI tools like Hostinger. These platforms offer user-friendly interfaces and powerful features that allow you to create stunning websites without any coding knowledge. This tool can generate a professional-looking site in seconds. You can customize templates to fit the specific needs of each client, making your service highly valuable. Automate email outreach to these businesses to offer your services, and you're set. With tools like MailChimp or Sendinblue, you can create personalized email campaigns that reach out to multiple clients at once. This method is incredibly lazy-friendly, as it reduces the amount of manual work involved. You can focus on creative aspects while the AI handles repetitive tasks. Plus, you can automate follow-ups and client communications. This ensures that you stay in touch with your clients and manage your projects efficiently, all from the comfort of your home. Third, consider faceless content creation to earn affiliate commissions. This method is becoming increasingly popular as it allows you to generate income without ever showing your face on camera. This involves starting a faceless YouTube channel or a blog. Both platforms offer unique opportunities to reach a wide audience and monetize your content. Faceless content means you don't need to appear on camera. This can be particularly appealing for those who are camera shy or prefer to maintain their privacy. Use AI tools to generate video content or blog posts. These tools can help you create high-quality content quickly and efficiently, even if you have little to no experience in content creation. You can create multiple sites across various niches, allowing them to operate around the clock. This diversification can help you reach different audiences and increase your earning potential. With a Faceless YouTube channel, you can use AI to create videos on topics that interest you, from tech reviews to cooking tutorials, without ever having to appear on screen. Meanwhile, a blog allows you to write articles or have them written for you. You can cover a wide range of topics, from personal finance to travel tips, and attract readers from all over the world. For instance, promoting affiliate products on a blog can be profitable. By recommending products and services that you believe in, you can earn a commission on each sale made through your affiliate links. My site, Success with Business, has earned over $798 from one affiliate program alone. This demonstrates the potential for significant earnings through affiliate marketing. Focus on quality content and strategic placement of affiliate links to maximize earnings. High-quality content will attract more visitors, and well-placed affiliate links will increase the likelihood of conversions. Plus, you can schedule posts in advance, reducing the daily workload. This allows you to maintain a consistent posting schedule without having to create new content every day, giving you more time to focus on other aspects of your business. Finally, let's explore stock market investing. This method can be highly passive if done correctly. One of the laziest ways to invest is through index funds. These funds track various companies' performances, allowing you to invest in a diversified portfolio with minimal effort. Invest regularly using the dollar-cost averaging strategy. This approach involves investing a fixed amount consistently, regardless of market conditions. To illustrate, I've built portfolios with impressive returns of 12.7% and 13.44% by simply investing consistently and letting the funds grow. Set up automated investments on your phone and watch your portfolio grow with minimal intervention. Want more details on any of these methods? Check the description below for links to further resources. And don't miss our free masterclass on a side hustle that could help you earn over $100,000 in profit. Subscribe to CashWave and hit the bell icon for more tips. Stay safe and see you in the next video.